Cannondale Super 6 Evo High Mode 2 review. Evidence that evaluating is king. Our rating 4.0. GPB 85, 82, 550 point euro. Our review. Thanks to some smart and timely optimization, the latest Super 6 Evo High Mode keeps its place among the very best all-round race bikes. Its pros: pinpoint handling, a good blend of compliance and stiffness, excellent wheel set. Cons: Vian handlebar may not suit those with smaller hands. The Cannondale Super 6 Evo is now in its fourth generation. Its forebears having earned almost unvirtual plaudits for their all-round performance. The new bike takes much of what made the previous version so well regarded, but Cannondale has looked to address some bugbear while pushing the envelope in terms of compatibility. Out goes the often Mailgent PF30A press fit bottom brackets, replaced by a third BSA 68 model, and as usual the bike is subject to tweak that are said to help it cut a more efficient line through the air without sacrificing stiffness or comfort. Exactly, Cannondale has evolved the Super 6 Evo, which means there should be few surprises when it's put to the test. The result, it remains a brilliantly handling, efficient, quick race bikes. It wholly rejects the notion that if a bike is a jack of all trades, then it's likely a master of none. It's one of the best bikes money can buy today, and deserving of a place in our bike of the year's performance category. Cannondale Super 6 Evo High Mode 2 frame specifications. The Super 6 Evo High Mode frame is now Cannondale's second tire carbon lap, previously at the head of the American brand's offering. It has been supplemented by the new LAB 71 sunk works. However, with prices pushing over 1200 euro for a complete LAB 71 build and a claimed weight saving of just 40 gram on the frame, the high mode tier arguably remains more than good enough for most. Once the new frame shapes are accounted for, the high mode carbon fiber lap is fundamentally unchanged from the third generation bike. In short, it blends a great proportion of high models carbon to the entry level lap, which is said to allow the frameset to hit the same levels of stiffness at a low weight. Cannondale claims a 56M Super 6 Evo high mode carbon frame weight 810 gram including paint and hardware compared to 770 gram for a LAB 71 frame. They said it's a chipset from a Super 6 EV carbon frame is claimed to weigh just 930 gram including pin and hardware. If you can leave with the extra 120 gram, you make significant cost saving at this tire too. This seal shutter is familiar, but there are some keychains that are said to help